Welcome back to Adventure Vault, where we uncover the world's hidden gems and help you prepare for your next big adventure. In today's video, we're sharing 5 essential things you need to know before traveling to China. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the right visa. Most travelers need a tourist visa to enter China, which requires an application, an itinerary, and often an invitation letter. Start the process at least a month before your trip to avoid any last-minute stress. While English is becoming more common in big cities, Mandarin is the primary language spoken across China. Download a reliable translation app like Google Translate or Plico, and learn a few basic phrases. Trust me, a little effort goes a long way. Cash is no longer king in China. Mobile payment apps like Alipay and WeChat Pay dominate the market. Set up your account in advance if possible, or ensure you have a UnionPay compatible card. Some places may still accept cash, but it's good to be prepared. China's Great Firewall blocks many popular apps and websites like Google, Facebook, and WhatsApp. To stay connected, invest in a reliable VPN before you arrive. Also, consider getting a local SIM card or portable Wi-Fi device for internet access. Understanding cultural etiquette can make your trip much smoother. For example, always use both hands when giving or receiving something, avoid pointing with your finger, and respect local customs at temples and historical sites. Being polite and observant will earn you smiles and great experiences. China is a country full of incredible history, culture, and modern wonders. By keeping these 5 tips in mind, you'll be ready for an unforgettable journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Adventure Vault for more travel tips and adventures. See you in the next video.
Like and subscribe to Adventure Vault. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.